spáilte chuig de ceacht Gaeilge inniu an chéadaoin agus tá sé an ceathrú lá is fiche de bhí fiara. Táid chun an scéal an gáirdín scoile a dhéanamh ar leathnach 142, so 142 the school garden. Tá gáirdín beag ag na páistí ar chúl na scoile. There is, so tá, it's happening right, it's gach lá. There is a small garden at the back of the school, like the children's garden. It's their garden. The children have, so it's egg in the páistí. The children have a small garden at the back of the school. Tosíonn na páistí ag obair sa gáirdín a rís san airech. Bíonn siad ag tógáilt le spád. So there, tosíonn, the children start working in the garden sa gáirdín a rís again san airech, again in the spring. And it's in the Aimsir Loirach, the gach lá, because it's tosíonn. Then, bíonn siad ag tógáilt le spád, they are digging with a spade. Banan siad, now I'm sorry, it's very unclear, but it's fiely. They pick or they weed. Banan siad fiely. Weed, and I'm just trying to, I think if you have your book home, it's okay. It's F-I-A-I-L-I fada. Banan siad fiely, so they take out, they weed the ground. Fecin na páistí bláthna deasa sa gáirdín san airech. Churann na páistí anamnacha ar na bláthna go léir. So the children see, so here's our irregular verb that we're looking at this week. The children see bláthna deasa, lovely flowers, sa gáirdín, in the garden, san airech, in spring. So sa means in, and it usually puts a H if the next word begins with a consonant. So sa, and it does put a H into gáirdín, but it doesn't put it into airech because it starts with a vowel, so instead we just put an N, san airech, to make it easier to say. Rather than sa airech, we say san airech. Churann na páistí anamnacha ar na bláthna go léir. The children put names, anamnacha, ar na bláthna, on the flowers go léir. So here are the names. Lus an chrumcín is a daffodil. Lus meaning plant, chrum meaning bent, keen head. So the plant of the bent head, daffodil. Banya bo blachton is cow's slip. So I know it's more like cow's milk. I wonder does blachton translate as anything on its own? Just give me no me the one and I'll see. Blachter is a detective, but I'll just look up Blacht maybe. Blachton. It kind of translates to juice of the cowslip, the banya bulb, but it's cowslip. Rosina are roses. Cam on Imma are buttercups, and cam on its own, just to let you know how it got its Irish word. Butter is im, so cam on Imma. Cam is again kind of like, I'm just seeing that I give an exact translation, kind of again coming from like the idea of like a bent head, a bit like the crumkeen. So it's buttercup, cam on Imma, thinking butter for im, buttercup. No nini are daisies. No neen is one daisy, no nini are daisies. Sourkini are primroses. Sourkeen is one of them. Sourkini, the ifad at the end, means primroses. Again, rose, just or for the S, is one rose. Rosina are roses. Roisin is a little rose. So they're all in their plural form, like banya bo blachton are cow slips. Lus an crumkeen daffodils. Then plurini schnachte are snowdrops. Plurini schnachte, snowdrops, schnachte meaning snow. So lus an crumkeen, daffodils. Banya bo blachton, cowslip. Rosina, roses. Caman Imma, buttercups. Nonini are daisies. Sourkini, primroses. And plurini schnachte are snowdrops. I would recommend putting them to the back of your Irish copy to keep them as you go forward. Then on Busca Darnach, the last box, Curran sheet glossary freshen. They plant vegetables as well, glossary. Curran sheet lettuce, lettuce, cabáiste, cabbage, prótaí, potatoes, carrade, carrots, agus turnipi, turnips, turnipa for one, turnipi for more than one. So they plant those vegetables. Obrian the posh, you could dean dichalach sagorgin. The children work extremely hard, like really hard. Dichalach, that phrase again. Good dean dichalach sagorgin. Being a gorgin good jas neta. The garden is lovely and neat. Okay, so cabáiste, cabbage, lettuce, carrade, carrots, prótaí, potatoes, and turnipi, turnips. So here's the question form. It's on that. I'll go through it again, another page. On Vecken, do you see? In the past, it would be on Vaca, and in the future, it would be on Vecfi. But this is the everyday gachla on Vecken. The answer is either Fecken or Ní Ecken. So anamnig na blahna a bhíon ag fós a gorgin, na blahna. So an busca seo. There's your verb. So being, you'd say being, and then list out your blahna ag fós a gorgin. Iver though anamnig na glossary a bhíon ag fós a gorgin. Again, you'd say being, and then list out your glossary ag fós a gorgin, growing in the garden. An Vecken samar plurini sneachta, well seo é samar, an bhfuil sé an am plurini sneachta a eáil. So it's either Fecken samar plurini sneachta or Ní Ecken sé. Fecken sé or Ní Ecken sé. An Vecken the páistí prótaí, it's either going to be Fecken the páistí prótaí or Ní Ecken the páistí prótaí. Okay, you cannot fill in the crossuckle in your lower, but what I did at home is I just wrote like number 1, which is this one, number 1, in my copy, and then I picked which flower I thought that was a picture of. So these are real life pictures of the flowers. So I wasn't sure of this one to begin with. I wanted to make sure I picked the right one, so I left it undone to begin with, and I went on to number 2 because I knew that one. So number Iver though, for example, is Rosanna. Then what called Iver 3? Iver Cahar, Trasna. Iver Cuig, she is here. Iver She, she is here. Iver Ceacht, Trasna. And then when I had all of those, I went back and I knew, well, there's only one left. Ní look, Ceann Bháin Fáca, so Kermit on Ceann Seo for Iver Hain, she is. Again, I said this is the verb fecken. That is the verb that we are looking at in details. I was looking up the verbs there, lus, or the crunking. So fecken is the present, the everyday version of that of the verb feck, to see. In the past, it's chonig and niachame. In the future, it's feckfi and niekfi. But right now, we're just doing the I'm sure lawyer, the everyday version. On vecken. So it would be on vecken tu, on vecken she, on vecken she, on vecken shiv, on, you know, vecken shead, do they see? And the answer fecken tu, you do see, fecken she, fecken she, fecken shiv, fecken she. The only time this is different is if it's I see, which is feck im, feicim, or if we see, which is feckimid, feicimid. Then it would be ni ekim. If I didn't see, then ni ekin tu, ni ekin she, ni ekin she, ni ekamid for we, ni ekin shiv, and ni ekin shiad. So the only times these are different is for may and for we, shin. So that's an Gháirdean Scola. Lay on scale, read the story, chur na bláine agus na glossary chúl de chopla on the back of your copy, just to keep them going forward. Any nice phrases or frothy jassa? No, that's okay. We kind of did them. You're going to do na ceistena and the crossuckle I the chopler. Okay, sin practice your verb going forward because this is the verb we're practicing on Friday, and best of luck.